clear your vocal cords.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Dive in, buddy.
Eat it. Go ahead. Go for it.
Well, thank you.
Let's go.
Get it.
Ooh, good.
Nobody's going to stop me.
It's like, what am I doing?
Look at your hand. Does that feel good?
I always wanted
Maybe
to.
we
Now
should
I
have
don't
taken the
have
paper off there.
Are you
Wanna,
tired?
yeah, tear the paper off.
Oops. Here. Yeah, go for it. Have some. Yeah, get it.
Oh, there we go. The mouth was open. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Good job, buddy.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm surprised he did that. He does not like feeding
No,
himself.
I was going to say he doesn't feed himself much.
No.
Yummy.
I bet he will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. Pick up the big chunks.
Yeah,
There you
there
go.
you go.
All right.
Oh, man.
Yum. Say,
Life
Mom,
just
I
got
want to eat like this
good.
every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One cupcake every day.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's yummy.
I'm gonna hose you off after this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so much for that nice clean cover on that high chair.
Yeah. Be going straight to the wash.
Yeah.
Is that good? Nummy, nummy. Yeah.
That's just your hand.
No, there's
Yummy.
crumbs and frosting.
Mm-mm. Delicious. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Lick your fingers.
Wrong fingers.
Forget the hands.
Get it. Get it. There you go.
I'm not even gonna pick it up.
Get it.
It's right
Face
there.
first.
I know it's right there.
There we go.
Oh, good job, buddy. Yeah, get it.
Yeah. Good cupcakes, Mom. Yeah. Yeah.
He's in his mouth.
Oh, you're fine. I was going to get a still shot, too.
Hey, Peanut. Is it good?
Yum, yum, yum.
Does this answer your question? Everybody laughing at you.
Pick it up. Eat it. Yeah, eat it. It's good. Yeah.
Are you eating it or are you playing with
That
it?
feels pretty good, huh?
Either way, it's fun.
Yeah.
If
Looks like a
nobody's stopping
monkey.
me, I'm just going to go for it.
You've got to make a mess like this before. Save this under my armpit.
Oh, there he goes.
We have something for dating.
So much for taking that back.
Yeah. I'll just keep that for the next kid.
Does that feel good?